Hello, my name is Terry Applegate with Haydocy Automotive. I'm here to show you a 2008 GMC Canyon extended cab. This has the 2.9 liter 4-cylinder Vortec engine, halogen headlights, chrome bumper, and driving lights. Goodyear SAE Wrangler tires with aluminum wheels, cloth seats, power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Cup holders in the front. This has less than 70,000 miles on it. It is the extended cab version. This opens up. You can see the seats fold up or flop down for easy entry. It has a spray-in bed liner. It has had a cap on it. Chrome bumper on the back, trailer hitch. It's all ready to tow. This is an SLE version GMC Canyon. Thank you for shopping Haydocy Automotive. If you have any questions, contact Terry Applegate, 325-3890.